An internal combustion engine, ICE, is a type of heat engine that converts chemical energy stored in fuel into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is then used to power vehicles, generators, and other machines. Most automobiles and many other machines, such as boats and lawn mowers, are powered by internal combustion engines. An ICE works by burning fuel and air inside a combustion chamber. The combustion creates a high-pressure and high-temperature mixture of gases that expands rapidly, pushing against the walls of the chamber and creating a force that drives a piston or a rotor. The motion of the piston or rotor is then used to turn a crankshaft, which ultimately drives the wheels of a vehicle or other mechanical devices. The four-stroke cycle is the most common type of internal combustion engine used in automobiles. It consists of 4 strokes or stages: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. During the intake stroke, the piston moves down, creating a vacuum that draws in air and fuel through an intake valve. During the compression stroke, the piston moves back up, compressing the air-fuel mixture into a smaller space, which increases its temperature and pressure. During the combustion stroke, a spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, causing it to burn and create a high-pressure and high-temperature gas. Finally, during the exhaust stroke, the piston moves back down, pushing the burned gas out of the cylinder through an exhaust valve. Internal combustion engines can be powered by a variety of fuels, such as gasoline, diesel, and ethanol. The design and construction of the engine, as well as the fuel used, can affect the engine's power output, efficiency, and emissions. Despite their widespread use, internal combustion engines are known to produce pollutants, such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides, which can contribute to air pollution and climate change. Efforts are being made to develop cleaner and more efficient engines, such as hybrid and electric vehicles, which use alternative power sources to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency.